Does it make financial sense to install a new water main and sewer at the same time? The answer would depend on these factors. First, and most important, is your water main and sewer located in a common trench? Second, is the city water main located on the short side of the street? This means that your services are only installed within a few feet from each other. And why is this most important? Well, if a plumber is excavating to install a new sewer main into your home and your water service is in the same trench, then it makes sense because the excavation, backfill, and restoration are already factored into the cost of your sewer replacement. Now, if the city water main is located on the long side of the street and your water and sewer is located in a common trench, then it still would make financial sense because the additional excavation and restoration to get to the city main is minimal compared to just installing the water main by itself. If your water main and sewer are located not in a common trench, then there really is not much of a financial benefit to install at the same time. Thanks for watching the video.